land is entrusted to us. We belong, we do not possess, yes. Listen to the sound of the oneness. We come from the mud and the music is life breath. I got an idea to shine light, to grow and to see things in focus and to learn and to flow. And I got an idea to draw up the water and to carry life forces to the parts of the whole and shine. Pretty mirable, shine. Colors of the rainbow, shine. In every direction, shine. Dancing reflections, shine. In the light of the morning, shine. Under the moon, just shine. Shine and be you. Shine and be you. Each little piece of the picture, perfectly placed in the midst of it all, just so. Just love it when it plays out like this, just so. Just so, just love it when it plays out like this and shine. Pretty mirable, shine. Colors of the rainbow, shine. In every direction, shine. Dancing reflections, shine. The light of the morning, shine. Under the moon, just shine. Shine and be you. Shine and be you.
It was so cool.
So I'd like to invite you all to come sit around the fire tonight. Make music to celebrate life. Taste food from the earth, shared with love. No matter whoever, wherever we are, what place on the planet, we can look to the stars and shine. Pretty mirable, shine. Colors of the rainbow, shine. In every direction, shine. Dancing reflections, shine. In the light of the morning, shine. Under the moon, just shine. Shine and be you. Shine and be you.
jumping everywhere. What's chasing them?